Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a Lego Lamborghini Huracan. First, ensure you have all the required Lego bricks. It helps immensely to sort your pieces by color and type before you begin. This preparation saves time and reduces frustration. Carefully follow the provided instruction manual, taking each step one at a time. Pay close attention to the diagrams to correctly place every piece. This methodical approach ensures a smooth and enjoyable building experience. Now, let's focus on the core structure. Begin by assembling the chassis, which forms the robust foundation of your Lamborghini. This step is crucial for the model's overall integrity. Next, carefully integrate the engine block, paying attention to its intricate details. Make sure all connections are secure and tight. A stable chassis and engine are vital for the model's durability and appearance. Double-check your work before moving forward. With the chassis complete, it's time to bring the Huracan's iconic look to life. Start by attaching the sleek body panels, carefully shaping the car's exterior. Then, move to the interior, assembling the seats, dashboard, and steering wheel. These details truly enhance the model's authenticity. Don't forget the smaller decorative elements, like headlights and taillights, which add a polished finish. Your Lamborghini is really taking shape now. You're almost there. For the final touches, secure any remaining loose pieces or accessories, like mirrors or spoilers. Take a moment to perform a thorough final inspection, ensuring every brick is correctly placed and the model is complete. Your Lego Lamborghini Huracan is now ready to be proudly displayed. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing new build.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.